Hey, what's up, investors? Jason here. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis and price prediction of Bitcoin and picking up where we left off in the previous Bitcoin video. Now, currently, we have been seeing the entire crypto market going more and more bearish. And with Bitcoin here, we are continuing to see Bitcoin's price fall. Now, ever since the CPI data came out, Bitcoin's price went down and took the entire crypto market with it. Now, we were hoping that with the Ethereum merge, maybe we will see a little bit of pumping with crypto, and well, that was not the case. Ethereum even ended up falling after the Ethereum merge happened. So currently, Bitcoin is really near this Fibonacci level right now that is around $19,100, and its price right now $19,740. What it needs to do is it needs to go up to this price of $20,500 to get to the top of this Fibonacci level that it's at right now. If it's able to break through this Fibonacci level, then we can go back to saying, hey, maybe things are going to possibly be going bullish with Bitcoin, but we don't know. We're within this correction right now because we have a fifth wave here, and within this corrective wave that we have right now, anything could really happen. We could see the price fall down more, or we can see the price go on a rally. Who knows what's going to happen? So let's dive into this. So as we do, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or just gently press that like button. Helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, helps spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe and push that bell notification if you haven't already. Now, let's get to it. Now, of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum being a bit bearish right now, that has brought the crypto market cap back down below $1 trillion. Now, over these last 7 days, Bitcoin's price is down more than 7%. And over these last 24 hours, we really haven't seen much of a price change at all. Now, we have been seeing a good amount of selling off going on with Bitcoin, and that's just kind of the way things are going at the moment. We're seeing the same thing happen with the stock market. Just things are getting very bearish right now as investors are waiting to hear what happens as far as interest rates. We know how the CPI data was. We know that there wasn't any sort of good news there, but that interest rate meeting, that next Fed meeting with the interest rate talks, that's that big factor there, because if interest rates are going to be going up quite a bit, let's say 0.75%, then if that's to happen, then we're going to see things go a bit more bearish. But that's kind of what's already priced in right now at the same time. So if we get some sort of better news as far as interest rates, then maybe we might be able to see a bit of a rally within the market. So those are a couple things to be thinking about. And with what's going on right now with Bitcoin still managing to be above this Fibonacci level, still above that wave 5, this correction could still really go anywhere. So we have our wave A, we have our wave B, but this wave C, this is that deciding factor, because this wave C could end up changing things around a bit. I mean, we have the Fed meeting coming up. Well, what if this wave C was to break through this next Fibonacci level? What if this wave C was to go back and retrace where that fifth wave was when we're seeing 5 bullish waves going on that took the price of Bitcoin up above $25,000. So there is that possibility that we could see things here correct and go that direction. So, I mean, we could say, yeah, we might be able to see such a situation play out here. Now, leading into more Fed data, I mean, Sunday, who knows what's going to happen? Monday, it's going to get a bit scary. But with all the volatility that we're going to be seeing in the market, hopefully there might be some sort of hope to come next week. There could be some sort of saving factor to the markets, and that's that thing that we're going to have to really be paying attention to, because yeah, the CPI data was not good, but at the same time, we don't know really what the reaction of that data is, because we have to look at the data for multiple months. We don't want to deflate the market. I mean, we definitely want deflation to happen, but we don't want to overly deflate. We don't want to send this economy into more of a downward spiral. So things have to be treading lightly with that. And so with that, I mean, there's that possibility that maybe interest rates won't be raised as high, or they might just skip raising them at that moment to see how the CPI data plays out for the next couple months to follow, or the next month to follow. And that would be that big change over in the market that we would need to see things really break out from here. Because I'm sure that Bitcoin's price could have a bit of a rally in the month of October. I mean, people are spending more money in October, November, December because of the holiday season. So there's that potential to see things turn around, but it's all about what the data is next week. So this possibility of seeing a wave C go up into this Fibonacci level that would be at the $25,000 price, and that could be a big breakout price. I mean, if you were to look at how much retracement we have to do, if you look at these more this previous run here from this all-time high that we had with Bitcoin, these 5 waves took things down very, very low. I mean, Bitcoin went to its 52-week low there. And from there, we've been seeing this whole correction here and really trying to figure out what's going on with this correction. So are we going to eventually be going back and retracing this? Did Bitcoin hit that bottom there on this 5th wave, on this pattern here? Did it hit that bottom there? Or is there more bottom to continue? Is this wave C not going to happen yet, and this wave B is going to continue a little bit more? So the big key factors here that need to play out is if Bitcoin falls below that $19,100 price, it falls through this Fibonacci level, then if that is to happen, then expect the price of Bitcoin to fall even lower, possibly down to its 52-week low, which of course we do not want to see happen. And if that is not to happen, and we do end up seeing the price of Bitcoin going up into this next Fibonacci level and break through that price of $20,500, if it's able to do that and break through that, then it has that possibility of being able to rally above this level here and make another wave. If that is the case, then there's a good chance that we could see Bitcoin retrace this wave 5 over here and go to the price of $25,000 throughout these next couple weeks. That's another possibility. I mean, or that could even be something that can happen much faster. If we were to get some really good positive news, then there's that possibility of really seeing a pump within the market. And that would be stuff that we had seen very similar to like this wave 2 and this wave 3 here, where we saw the price of Bitcoin do a quick pump from that price of around $19,000 all the way up to a price of around $24,500 just within a matter of a couple of days. So there's that possibility that we could get some sort of good news and see something play out like that. Otherwise, I mean, you got to have a bearish case and a bullish case. So hopefully we do not see that. Hopefully we see Bitcoin break through that $20,500 price and continue rallying up from there. And that would be our best case scenario, to end up seeing Bitcoin to a really nice retracement and possibly go to the price of $25,000. And that is where my bullish price prediction is for the beginning of the month of October. If we're able to see such a scenario play out like that, that would be ideal. And if not, even possibly go up even higher. So anyways, with that being said, really just a lot riding on the information with the Fed as well, because if we get 0.75% or even worse, 1%, things are going to get a bit more extreme over in the market. So hopefully we don't hear any sort of news with interest rates being that high. But I like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. I have plenty more updates to come with other cryptocurrencies, and I will keep you guys updated with what is going on with Bitcoin. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out every single day. I'll see you in the next one.